Hey guys, my name is Ricardo Liborio. We're here in Century Martial Arts doing some drills for BJJ. There you go. I got Kevin helping me today. We have passes, sweeps, submissions, and everything is good for Century BJJ. All right, Kev. Now, we're going for butterfly guard, and we're going to try to hit the hook sweep, and that's got a little bit different than what we did the last month. Okay, guys? Look, last month we were working on a hook sweep, especially when we grab it in the outside, and I have the underhook. I sit up, and I got the underhook. Even if you control my leg, like I said last month, I'm pushing in, shoulder on the floor, elevates, and go to the mount. What happens now is, after the frame guard, create space, I sit up, I try to go for the underhook, and he locks it up, or he palms the hand. I'm going for the overhook. And the overhook, especially if I can feed this hand and get deeper in the collar, gets even better. Like I said, he controlled his hands. I want to try to go and control the wrist, if it's not the triceps. Now, I want to bring this leg here, guys, in the outside. Like this. Why is that? Because it gives me more amplitude. Even if you try to position too much, I can go all the way and lift my hip out of the ground. One more time. Frame guard, butterfly, overhook, control it. He's going to try to pass. My leg goes outside, and from here, and just elevate with the hook, and I try to end up on a mount position. Okay, guys? Okay, let's go this way here. Now, yes, here is better. Now, frame guard, create some space. Butterfly, overhook. He's controlling here. Control the wrist. Even sometimes, like I said, if you're really tight in this grip, stretch your leg. If it's not, bring the leg in the outside. I control it from here, shoulder on the floor. I lift the elevator, end up in a position. Especially if you can end up in a mount, it would be great. All right? Okay, let's just try to do it to this side here so people can see it. Butterfly, create some space. Now from here, the frame butterfly. See this leg with the outside? Everything. If you can grab the collar, it's okay. If it's not, just make sure you're tight. Shoulder on the floor, lift it. Boom. That's the hook sweep coming from butterfly. I can't go that way. All right, guys, this is Century BJJ.